With the winter weather persisting over the next few days, the DPW will have their hands full keeping up with the snow. News Channel 9's Eddie McAlpine was on the roads recapping the blizzard-like conditions.
It takes the entire community, but I think we are collectively rising to the challenge.
Snowplows have been active through the closing days of December. Blizzard-like conditions unlike anything the city of Syracuse has seen in decades. All through the region, roads were covered in snow. Car after car getting stuck on major roads like I-690, Erie Boulevard, and scattered through downtown Syracuse. Visibility was low and driving was difficult. Even snowplows were struggling to keep up. However, Mayor Walsh still has faith in the DPW.
This is the largest storm we've seen in many years. DPW has never been better prepared for it.
The snow's still coming down here in Syracuse, but people are out, like here at Clinton Square, enjoying the last day of 2025. In Syracuse, Eddie McAlpine, News Channel 9.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.